Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Happy Bringling. Namaste, my dear friends, and welcome to the episode of Wealth with Purpose Mondays on Bringle Talks YouTube channel. Today is not just another talk, it's a beginning of the next journey that could change the way you look at money, passive income, and social impact forever. Probably it's going to be 12 weeks, 18 weeks, 24 weeks, and eventually for a year. But just spending 10 minutes every day at 2x speeds can 100x your passive income growth or a financial freedom journey much faster and help you realize your $1 billion dream in the shortest possible time. So every Monday for the next coming weeks, we will uncover how to make your money work for you with purpose, how to create multiple income streams, how to support causes like education, health, environment, but in a way that never runs out, and how you can be part of the India's first 10,000 crore wealth with purpose fund. But let me warn you, this is not for everyone. This is only for those who are tired of waiting, tired of losing time, tired of wondering if their dreams will ever come true. And in the end, you will have two choices. Dare to dream big or die wondering what could have been your $1 billion dream. Now let's get real. We have all seen schools that start with donations, close in a few years. We have seen health projects that vanish when funding stops. And many of us have donated and later wondered what actually happened with my money. Here is the truth. Free charity doesn't last. Dependence on grants kills accountability. Social projects collapse without cash flows. But this is why so many donors feel delusioned, and why investors hesitate to support causes like these. But here is the surprise. What if I told you that the same 50,000 you usually donate could come back to you in 3 to 5 years' time? Then give you 10 to 20% of passive income every single year till perpetuity, while still educating 100 underprivileged children free of cost every year. And that's the model. We call it as wealth with purpose. Friends, today we are officially launching India's first social venture fund of 50 lakh rupees. We have spoken about that with Sharmila and Dr. Vinaya in the last weeks. Please have a check on that. Their talk show, Bringle talks on different themes, on 7 days, 7 themes. But here is how it works. Minimum entry 50,000 rupees one time, and 5,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees per month for 12 months, whichever works comfortable for you. You get a donation certificate for your tax benefits. Your capital is returned in 3 to 5 years' time. Then you can earn 10 to 20% of annual passive income easily. Meanwhile, the impact. In Virtur, Bangalore alone, 100 plus underprivileged children will get free education every year. And beyond that, there will be thousands of lives which we'll be touching through health and environmental aspects. Because this is not just a donation. This is not high risk investing as well. This is a self-sustainable cash flow model. And remember, spots in this first 50 lakh funds are limited. First 15 lakh rupees of investment is only getting at par valuation of 50 lakh rupees, which means that if you invest 15 lakh, you will get 15% of the equity. Once we close this round, only the early founding members will be recognized as pioneers of wealth with purpose in India. There will be different valuations for the next round of fund of next 35 lakhs. And every 15 lakhs, it will be different fund. The last 20 lakhs will be probably at 5x or 10x valuation. See, I want you to wait, because this is only the beginning. Don't go away. Our vision is not just about this 50 lakhs, or maybe the next one could be 5 lakhs, 5 crores, 50 crores, or 15 crores, whatever is that. Our vision is 10,000 crores, wealth with purpose fund. 60% of that would be invested in Indian startups. The next 100 unicorns with 100x plus potential. In series 1, of our fund, a venture capital fund, we have got 100% success rate. And with 89% of portfolios, investment portfolio going very, very strong. 40% will be invested in the Sone Ki Chidiya Ko Jagao centers like this for She Venture Fund, which is called as Skills, Health and Environment. So startups create wealth, jobs and innovation for the country and for yourself. SKG, CKJ centers create sustainable education, healthcare and green solutions. Together, they form the backbone for Mission Zero. You can check this Mission Zero in our Bringle Dreamwave Mission Zero Saturdays. You'll get more details about what it is all about. It also contains net zero, mission zero unemployment, zero poverty, zero environmental damages and things like that. Imagine your 50,000 could become the seed of India's transformation. Your 5 lakhs in the venture capital fund could be the part of the next 100 unicorns of India. This is not just an investment. This is a legacy. And here is the exciting part. This is just initial week. Over the next upcoming weeks, every Monday at 4 PM IST, we will go deeper into this model and bring more and more people talking about this model and how this could benefit to the larger society and to yourself. Next week, I will reveal the exact blueprint of the 10,000 crore fund, how 60% startups and 40% SKCKJ centers will not only multiply your wealth, but also sustain Bharat for generations. And in the following weeks, we will cover why startups are the best wealth creators, how SKCKJ centers fund themselves forever, and how NRIs, women on purpose and men of legacy can join. How CSR and grants can create impact that never stops. This is not a one-time talk. This is a complete marathon of masterclasses on wealth with purpose for the entire year and probably later as well. If you miss even 1 week, you will miss the sequence and you will miss the chance to get in early. So friends, as we launch Wealth with Purpose Mondays, remember, you have 2 doors in front of you. Door 1, keep donating blindly, keep working for your salary, keep investing in some ULIPs or something, keep hoping something changes. I also spoke about ULIP and we will be talking about more aspects of the ULIPs and different scams which are going with respect to insurances on all on Men of Legacy Sundays. And you should check the yesterday's episode on Men of Legacy about the same. We will talk more about that in the coming days. But door 2 is either invest 50,000 rupees or just 5 lakhs today. Secure your financial freedom and transform lives forever. But here is the urgency. The first social venture fund of 50 lakhs has limited seats. At par valuation, only for 15 lakhs of investment. Then the valuation doubles. Only the early 50 founding members will be recognized in the history as the pioneers of this movement. Probably lesser. So take action now. Download the ebook. Click the link below in the description and the comments below. Set up your one-on-one call with me today. Understand what it is. We will have a non-obligatory call either side. And don't forget to subscribe to Bringle Talks YouTube channel, because next Monday at 4 PM, I'm going to reveal the 10,000 crore blueprint that will shock you with its simplicity and power. This is your chance to be more than a spectator. Be a builder of wealth with purpose. Remember, you can either dare to dream big or die wondering what could have been your billion-dollar dream. The choice is yours and your legacy begins today. जगाओ जगाओ हर घर तिरंगे के साथ, हर घर सोने की चिड़िया को जगाओ. Let's awaken the golden bird hidden inside each of you. Keep bringing, keep growing, keep spreading the Bringle dream wave. Help others to dream big, motivate them, help them achieve, and motivate them to pass it on the SKCKJ baton to each and everyone in the country or in the world. Just do it with 3 people and you will be able to transform the world entirely. And don't forget to invest in the Wealth with Purpose Fund with just small 50,000 rupees or into social venture fund or 5 lakh rupees into venture capital fund. Keep bringing, keep growing.